Oi. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a self photo shoot. I'm going to show you guys how I take my Instagram photos. So you guys are going to tag along with me today and see how I take my Instagram photos. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I will put it somewhere right here. You guys should definitely check it out and like my pictures. Now, this is the outfit. I have this Champion hoodie that you guys saw in my last video that I got. The outfit, it's very baggy vibes today, street style vibes. So I have these white Pumas on, these baggy pants that I got from Urban Outfitters, super cute. And then this top, I have an Ariana shirt under, oops. I have the Sweetener Tour shirt under just in case, I feel like that's cute. And this cute little bag that I got a long time ago from Forever 21, I think. So everything that you're gonna need is a cute outfit that makes you feel cute, which this makes me feel cute, except for I'm breaking out, but we love that for me. So I'm obviously going by myself, and this is a video for you if you want to do photo shoot by yourself, because if you don't have no one to take photos of you, or if you just don't have no one to take photos of you, this is gonna be your best friend. And I got this on Amazon for $23, I think it was. I love it so much. It came with this little bag. It's the UB size brand, so if you want to look it up, it's called the UB size phone tripod. It's like this, and then how it holds up. Oh my god, I've only used this once. Watch me break it. Okay, so there's a little screw here to like tighten it and untighten it. What the heck? Okay, my bad. So yeah, this is how it holds up on the ground, and then it has these little extensions right here, which you pop off, and then for like however tall you want it, and then your phone just straps on right here. I would 10 out of 10 recommend. I used this for the first time yesterday, and I am obsessed because I was able to do like low shots, like when I was sitting, and then obviously my height, so it worked out perfectly, which I uploaded those photos on Instagram yesterday, so check it out to see how I did it. But now I'm gonna do a video of me showing you guys how I do it. And yes, it does gain a lot of confidence because I was a little nervous yesterday, but luckily where I live there's like factory buildings like 5 minutes away, and nobody is ever there on weekends, so I just used their parking lot, and then the background matched my aesthetic, so it worked out perfectly. But today's location, I'm not sure where I want to go yet. I'm not sure if I want to go to where my secret spot is from that video I did last time. I might end up doing that. It's a parking garage because I feel like this is the vibe for it. But it does come with a little button that connects to your phone. This way you don't have to go like back and forth to take pictures. You just hit the little button. It comes with all of this. Love that. For $23, not bad. Without further ado, let's get on to the main part of this video, and that's the photo shoot. Okay, so we are about to pull up to the secret destination. I really hope that there's nobody there. I think I came Sunday last time and there was nobody around this time, so cross our fingers. If not, we're just gonna have to deal with it because we already drove this way. I'm thinking from the location, I don't know if I want to do the top level that I was at last time because I kind of want to switch it up for my feed. I was thinking I could do it at the staircase, because that'd be kind of cute, like to sit on the stairs and then have the camera a little lower. But we'll see what the vibe is. We'll see what other areas I could find. I don't know if they have like a plain wall that I can use. I think they do on the outside deck, but I don't know if I want to do that outside. The struggle, but we'll see what I find when I get there. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. I could like take him outside, which I think would be nice, right? Like along this wall here. We'll just park here. If it's not the vibe, then we could always like move somewhere else. But this place looks good right now. So let's park, get everything set up. There was nobody up here, thankfully, when I got here. So, love that for me, but let's get everything set up. I'm looking up there, there's somebody up there, but I don't even care, I'm already here. So we're gonna get everything set up. So let me open up the bag here, and then I'll extend it. How did I do it last time? So I kinda wanna do some sitting ones first, so I'll just leave it a little low. I have my camera set up. This is what the setup looks like. I just put it on this little tripod. I'm gonna do some sitting ones first, and then so let's get started. Let's see. And this is where I have the button. Okay. So far so good. I don't know what those guys are doing up there. I think they're doing the same thing, but I don't even care. That you can't even see, but I'll show you guys when I'm done as well. Love the location. my god, did I break you? Okay, I got scared. I thought mall security was coming. Y'all, it takes a lot of confidence to do this, and it's kind of nerve-wracking because I'm like, you never know when someone's coming. Okay, so I took a little intermission because I'm trying to figure out different poses because I feel like I do the same ones all the time and I need to like step it up, you know? So right now I'm looking at Yes. If you don't know her, you need to follow her on Instagram. She is like aesthetic goals. Follow her poses because she poses so cute, but I feel like I'm not doing that good of a job. Maybe it's the location. I need to go somewhere else because I'm not really feeling this one. Location, same area, but maybe like I said, the stairs would be kind of cute. And then we'll try that vibe out. It's good to like look up inspo for like different poses because for me, I feel like I just stand there and I'm so awkward because I don't really know different poses, but it's good to get inspired by other people. Okay, so for my second location, I think I'm gonna set up on these stairs here. I'll just put my camera lower and then sit on the stairs. I feel like that'd be kind of cute. And then I looked up some inspiration on like sitting poses too, so that could help a little bit. Let me walk up these stairs, see if there's anything up here. Okay, not really. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna set up my camera here and then start shooting. There's literally an audience. Love that for me. Hey fans. Just, oh my god, security. Mia, security. Hurry! Okay, mall security is here. Right there. I don't even know if you're allowed to take pictures here. Please let me finish. I'm not even halfway done. Like a bunch so far. Do you see all of these are all from just now, so far so good. I know I'm shaking. I get so nervous with stuff like this, but it's like, sis, your job is not that serious. Okay, so I'm gonna set up for the last part of my photo, the little setup I got going right here. So let's shoot. That's a wrap. Okay, so since this is so new to me, I get so freaked out by like anybody who's there. So I'm sure that once I do this more often, just like when I do YouTube, if I do this more often, I'll get used to it. If you are thinking about doing this, definitely do it, but know that it's gonna take some getting used to, especially with like if you're doing it in the public like this. Yeah, so I'm gonna go home, edit them, and I'll show you guys the results when I get there. Okay guys, so I am now home and I'm going to be editing my pictures. I will go ahead and upload them, the results, at the end of this video in like a little montage. So I'm scrolling through them now and I'm like, oh, these better be cute. Hard because like I get so nervous. Like this one's cute once you edit it and stuff. You can't really see it, but like I said, I'll show you guys at the end. I get so nervous. I don't even know why. Like, what is the mall security just gonna be like, you can't take pictures here? Like, that's it. The one thing that I would recommend before taking pictures is looking up poses and trying them out. Like I said, I was looking them up there, but I felt like I was rushing myself because I was like, well, then again, don't overthink it too. Like, don't be like, well, should I do this or should I do this, or you know what I mean? Like, don't overthink it. Just whatever feels natural and whatever you think is gonna look good. That is my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down below, follow me on all of my social media to see more content, and that is how I take my Instagram photos, by myself. I hope this inspired you guys to take photos by yourself to help you be an independent person and don't depend on anybody, because you don't need anybody. You just need things to help you out. Objects. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.